Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix freezing in Roblox, but before that please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe for this channel. So let's start. Please make sure that your driver is up to date. To do that, go to your search box and type in device manager, go to display adapters, and your driver should pop up. Right click on it, click properties, and click on search automatically for drivers, and you can see that my driver is up to date, so you must check it as well. After that, go out of here, go to Roblox player, right click on it, click open file location, go to Roblox player, right click on it again, and click on the properties, click compatibility, and make sure that the run the program in compatibility mode 4 is checked, and click Windows 7 in the drop down menu. Click run the program as an administrator and click disable full screen optimization checked as well. After that, run compatibility troubleshooter and it will detect the issues. Click try recommended settings, and from here just wait for it to finish. So click OK. And after that, if the problem is not fixed, you can try troubleshooting again. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.